Greetings and welcome to Be One Love Spirituality in a Modern World. Today's segment is about basics. You need your staples in food, dry goods. I got my Tupperware I've had for like 40 years now. I always cook the same way all the time. So every week I'm going to add 1 cup of beans to make some bean soup, and then you add your veggies. So you cook it for 2 hours, medium heat. After 2 hours, you add your veggies in there, and you got your soup for the week. Now on Sunday, to me, is pasta day. So you can get any kind of pasta you want. This is a veggie pasta. So I'm going to do my pasta tomorrow, and then I'm going to add my soup beans with the veggies as part of the marinade, and then you can add, tomato sauce or Alfredo sauce or whatever. So I'm going to do this one tomorrow, and then next weekend I can do the rice noodles. So in the beans, we got black beans, pinto beans, split red lentils, mung beans, green split peas. So you can add like 20 different kinds of beans, whatever kinds of beans you want. As long as you have your staples of your beans, your pasta, your noodles, and your rice. So you got your staples, and then you'll always have a meal. Life is love. Love is life. Blessing from Reverend Lewis. So thank you for your support.